Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations, Meditations, Explorations, No Expectations for the day of Tuesday. Tuesday is the day of the warrior personality, the warrior vibration, and it's all about never giving up. It's all about being strong, being willful, having this internal power. When you have this spiritually in your blueprint, you are a spiritual warrior, or you would also be called a Kundalini yogi, able to harness this very powerful Kundalini energy inside the body. Coiled at the base of the spine. And you can use it. You know how to master it. But if you're somebody else, you have a different spiritual path, best usually not to mess around with the Kundalini too much, because it can harm you if you aren't the master of it. So same thing goes for everything else in life, pretty much. When you're a warrior, you want to be the master. And one person who had this in his spiritual area and was a master was the great Frank Sinatra. He was certainly a master of his craft. Because he was not a very strong warrior, in other words, he had some challenges in his spiritual area, he sometimes manifested this warrior quality as a bullying kind of quality or a controlling kind of quality. Well, these are the negative aspects of the warrior. But he also manifested some of the positive aspects as well, including being able to bounce back from anything. There were a couple of times in his life where he lost everything, money, fame, and he bounced back, and when he bounced back even stronger than he was before. And that's the sign of a true warrior, especially a spiritual warrior. So let's hear what Frank Sinatra had to say about a few things, and I'm going to play the vibrations of the day based on the interval of the third. Big lesson in life, baby, is never to be scared of anyone or anything. I'm gonna live until I die. That's what he said. I'm gonna live until I die. One of those complicated, mixed up cats. I'm just looking for the secret to life. I just go on from day to day, taking what comes. Throughout my career, if I have done anything, I have paid attention to every note and every word I sing. Focus, right? Focus, warrior focus. If I respect the song, if I cannot project this to a listener, I fail. Don't hide your scars, they make you who you are. else has been said about me personally is unimportant. When I sing, I believe I'm honest. Well, honesty is a real sign of a warrior. Just saying how they feel, especially when it's in the spiritual or in relationships. Boy, then they really are like in your face. Tell you what they think. No nonsense way of relating. Fear is the enemy of logic. You've got to be on the ball from the minute you step out into that spotlight. You got to know exactly what you're doing every second on that stage. Otherwise, the act goes right into the bathroom. It's over. Good night. What formula? I never had one. So I couldn't say what the main ingredient is. I think everybody who's successful in this business has one common ingredient: the talent God gave us. The rest depends upon how it's used. If you possess something but you can't give it away, then you don't possess it. It possesses you. Don't be afraid of anything today. Nothing. Nothing.